Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a car battery in a Chevy Equinox. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench, battery terminal brush, and a battery terminal puller if needed. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. For your safety, always wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. This helps prevent accidental shocks or chemical exposure. Next, locate your car battery. In many Chevy Equinox models, it's under the hood, but some might have it in the trunk or under the rear seat. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, usually marked with a minus sign and a black cable. Then, disconnect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Then, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated correctly, and reattach any hold-down clamps or straps to secure it firmly. Finally, it's time to connect your new battery. Always connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. For added protection, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Once everything is connected, start your Chevy Equinox to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You might need to reset your radio presets or clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.